Hi guys, welcome back. Today we'll be creating a toasty makeup look. Since I saw these looks on Pinterest, I really wanted to try it on myself. And first I'm using this pea-size amount of primer. My skin is super dehydrated in winters and this hydrates my skin and smooths my pores. Now I'm applying the concealer. LM13 is the shade, so no one can tell I only slept for 3 hours. Blending it with the sponge, and I'm gonna add a bit more on my forehead to even out my tan later. Time for the main part of today's look, the contour. I'm gonna apply it on my cheekbones and on my nose, a bit on my forehead, and now blending it out. And now I think that's enough for that toasty look. Next up, blush. I have this soft salmon shade. I'll apply this right above where I did the bronzing. Make sure you blend it well with the contour using a wet sponge. Next up, I'm gonna set everything with the all set translucent powder. I'm gonna set everything to avoid creasing. Now moving on to the eyes. I know it's not the usual order, but I like doing my eyes in the end. No rush. I'm gonna use my Hello Pretty Eyes palette. It has such beautiful shades. And I'm gonna mix this one with this one. It has literally every shade you will need. Blending it outwards. Also, I love these brushes too, like not at all harsh on the skin. And now I'm gonna add shimmer. Now I'm gonna apply the eyeliner for that sharp look. Now I'm gonna apply the Kajal. Pair it with the Lash Mascara. We are almost done. Now I'm gonna move on to the lips. I'm gonna overline my lips with the lip liner in the shade Chestnut Groove. Then I'm gonna use my all-time fave Mousse lipstick in the shade Chestnut Treat. Over the top, I'm gonna apply the gloss in the shade Ice Latte. And now we are done. Wait, something is missing. Oops, I forgot to apply the highlighter. I'm using this highlighter in the shade Savage Barbie. Time for the brows now. Okay, finally the toasty makeup look is ready. Setting my makeup with a fixer now. Alright, we are all set now. I'm really obsessed with how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think about this look in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.